everybody, welcome back to another video, and for today I'm going to be showing you the basics of WarriorPlus, more specifically the starter ups to join in an affiliate program. So firstly, what is WarriorPlus? Well, it is a best-in-class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. So what this is basically is a platform or a medium for affiliate programs which you can earn money from from promoting a certain product. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first of all, if you go to WarriorPlus.com, you'll see the starter page. So what you're going to want to do is click over here, free sign up to create your account. And what that's going to look like is this. You're going to have a username section, a password section, and an email address section. And this is pretty straightforward. You create an account just like you would any other account. So you're going to put in you're going to put in a username, you're going to put in a password, and the email address for which you need to get it activated. Now, in order to activate your account, simply go on over to the email address that you used to register your account and click the link there to verify your account. So once your account has been verified, this is what it will look like. So starting from here, oh, so many notifications, guys. So starting from this point on, you might be offered deals or plans, etc. That you can decide for yourself if you would like to subscribe to those plans and deals. So now let's take a look at everything on our screen. So first, we have our WarriorPlus logo, in which you can click and it'll take us back to our dashboard, or the main dashboard of WarriorPlus. Let's go back here. Then we have Marketplace, where you can view our home, top products, categories, alerts, and deal of the day. Our vendor, dashboards, offer, products, shared products, customers, transactions, stats, link stats, sales report, affiliates, affiliate contests, coupons, commission rules, JV Center, and affiliate dashboard, offers, stats, transactions, sales report, contests, and the launch calendar. So again, once you head on over to this page, you'll see our Welcome to WarriorPlus account. Thanks for creating your free WarriorPlus account. We are glad you have joined us. So now, you'll be given these links. I want to sell my own products as a vendor, I want to earn money as an affiliate for other people's products, and I want to buy products and services related to online business and marketing. So depending on what you're looking for on WarriorPlus, you can click any one of these links and it'll take you to an article, which will give you all the information you need to get started there. So I click the first account, I want to sell my own products as a vendor. It'll give you step-by-step processes and all the details you need to know if you want to sell your own products as a WarriorPlus vendor. So you can create your products, set up your account, etc., etc. Now, if we click this, I want to earn money as an affiliate for other people's products, this is what we'll be focusing on. So we can go ahead and click this button right here, and it'll give us this article, or this section, with all of the instructions, all of the details we need to know, so we can find offers to promote here. We can find out how receiving commissions work, delayed commissions, how to add a bonus to the product that you're promoting, etc. And if your concern is not on any of these lists, you can go ahead and click on this help center and get your problem solved, more specifically to detail your needs. We can go on over to click how does receiving commissions work to find out how you can read your article. So this article basically tells you everything you need to know on the platforms, for instance, where you're going to be receiving your money, withdrawing your money, so PayPal Plus, Stripe, or new affiliates or low affiliate score, etc. So you guys can go ahead and click on or take a read on all of these articles. All of these articles are extremely helpful, especially for beginners. So you can go ahead and read on that or anything that you need that you think will help you in the long run. So now let's get started on actually trying to figure out how to become an affiliate for a program. Alright, so we can start over for this page. You just need to go to the home or the home dashboard of WarriorPlus. You can do so by going back here, clicking on WarriorPlus dashboard, or simply just clicking its logo. It'll automatically take you back here. So, as you can see at our WarriorPlus homepage, we have all of these options over here: Marketplace, Product Alerts, Vendors, Affiliates, Deal of the Day, and Help and Support. So, us as people wanting to become affiliates, we can go over to Affiliate and click Offers. So, in these offers, we're going to be seeing a list of things that we can become affiliates for. So, you can see all here, all of the products that we can be affiliates for. So let's say I'd like to click on one, the Ultimate AI 50 times ChatGPT AI bots, earn 100%. So we can go in and click more details by clicking this link over here. And as you can see, here are the details for the program that we will become an affiliate for. Now let's say we do want to become an affiliate for this program. All we need to do is click on its products. And here you'll be able to see, depending on what you have sold to different customers and clients, this is how much you'll be earning. So say I was able to sell a Ultimate AI Pro for $47, okay? The client will be getting it for $47. And in return, 50% will go back to me. So that's $23.50 will go back to me as the affiliate. Or let's say I sell this Pushable Pure Campaign DS. I'll sell it for $37, or I'll market it for $37, but really I won't be marketing it because this is the official price. So $37, and commission will go back to me. 50% of that, I'll be getting $18.50. Now, alright, so let's say we do decide to choose this. How do I start? Well, you need to go click on Request Approval so that the person marketing this affiliate program will be able to see your request for the product that you'd be advertising for. So this basically asks permission if you can become an affiliate for this program. So let's write in a request note for let's say, I would like to become an affiliate to better promote your product so it may reach a wider audience. Now obviously you don't need to copy this format word per word. You can go ahead and write in your own. Of course, uniqueness is key. So you can allow the vendor to contact me via email. So the email that I used to sign up for this account will go straight to my email. So you can click Request Offer and it'll go straight to them. But I won't be requesting, so we'll just close that in for now. Now, going back to the platform, let's say I've earned money and I want to see how much money I earned. So we can go on and click this big red button on the right corner and click Wallet. And what this does is basically tells us how much money. So you'll see over here the recent activity, the month, the activity, the type, details, amount, date, and status. And if we'd like to withdraw that money, all we need to do is click this button over here and press withdraw, in which they would be requiring you to fill out a tax form before you withdraw your funds. So the form basically just looks like this, and you need to pass this in before you get your funds. And it'll ask you questions such as, are you from the US or you're not from the US, your name, your business name, you check your appropriate box, exemptions, address, city, state, and zip code, etc. So WarriorPlus is fundamentally a very straightforward application in which it's very easy to navigate. If there are any problems or if you have any concerns, WarriorPlus does have a help and support section over here in which you can search up for specific concerns and problems such as glitches or errors. Say your money didn't go through, your money didn't register. you can go on and click this help and support button. But for now, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!